Hello everyone, good afternoon or good morning. Andito tayo ngayon sa San Juan Estates at chinecheck tong bahay. Actually nagkabayaran kami nito kahapon. Meron dong araw, hanggang dun pa yung property na yan. So kailangan kong pabakuran yan, tapos papalandscape ko. So ayan yung gilid, papabakuran. Tapos medyo binawasan na nila yung damo niyan. Pero natural, ulit-ulit landscape. Landscape nga eh. Syempre mga madumi pa, no. This is 2-car garage home. May pagka-Japanese nga ang style nito kasi medyo open lang siya tsaka simple. So yan. It's yan side pag ganyan. Okay. Ito landscape ko din siya. We're not planning to put up anything here kasi gusto namin talaga open lang para yung vibes open lang, hindi kulong, hindi masikip. So ayun. Then of course papalitan natin to. Mahali tree is the key. Pagpasok, of course naman, pinto. I don't know if they're gonna remove this painting pero kung gusto nilang dyan lang, bahala sila. This wall will remain like this. Of course, the paint here is gonna be changed to nude. The living room, nude. AC needs to be replaced, especially in the living room. We wanna make it as comfortable dito sa living room. We have someone to design yung sa TV namin. It's an 85 inches na lalagyan ng ipapa-wall mount namin. Ito yung kitchen. Ako nakikita nyo. So, from the living room, dito yung kitchen. So, yung kitchen, totally yan, mawawala yan lahat. So, yung nakikita nyo ngayon sa video na to, tatanggal yan. Kasi pinadesign ko na yan ng may island. Hinga muna ako. So, I'll show you. This door leads to the patio. And the patio leads you to this two-way car garage, two-car garage. To your right leads you to the maid's quarter and the dirty kitchen. This is where we put our washer and dryer. Okay, so let's go back. Inside the house, there's another bathroom here, toilet and bath. We'll put hot shower dyan, water heater. This is guest room. Palagay ko dito siguro mga full-size bed. Of course, meron na siyang cabinets, but one full cabinet. This one is para sa mga mattress namin, yung mga bed sheets, kumot, ganon. Yung small door doon na nakikita nyo, that's actually a storage. Pag pinasok nyo yan, may paganon pa yun, may paganon. Huwag na natin pasukin. Kasi baka hikain ako. Gusto mabig ako. Okay, akit na tayo. Mabilis na. So this wall here will be nude. Yung iba lang wall. Kasi to be honest with you, yung mga pintura, medyo may okay pa yung iba. Yung iba. This one right here, halanay. Hinga muna ako. We need to have wall higher because yung ating leverisa yung neighbor natin doon. Leverisa din on the other side. So, medyo itataas natin yung wall natin doon. And a sunroof. So, just para lang alam niyo yung papagawa, di ba? Master's bedroom is ito. Nakita niyo na to. Very spacious siya. Pwede ako maglagay ng vanity mirror here. Magsayaw ako dito, whatever. Malawak siya. May walk-in closet. I'm okay na sa walk-in closet. No need for any repairs. Only water heater. Palitan ng ilaw. Yun lang. Walang problema dyan. Na-check ko na yan kahapon. So, regarding the paint, I'm fine with that. This is the playroom. We will paint this blue. And, of course, all our windows, ipapa Korean blinds ko or curtain. Depende sa mapag-usapan namin. Whew! Hinga. And then, this is the kids' bedroom. Actually, dapat tig-isa sila. But since they're just babies, magsama sila sa isang room. Kasi yung isa gagawin ko munang playpen. When they get a little bit older, they can separate. This is connecting room anyway. It connects to their walk-in closet. Drake's closet, Drew's closet. And they have their own bathroom. Same like mine. I'm just gonna put hot and cold shower there. I wanna make sure na komportable yung mga bata. You see, that's the bathroom. Once you open the door, they got their playpen. Andito na yung kanilang playroom. And the other room, din ang bedroom. Tapos, hi mommy and daddy. Andun na ako. This wall, itong maliit na to, itong space na to, is mine. Ako nang bahala dyan. So, we have some stuff to do. And hopefully, 1 month, kaya nilang ayusin lahat. So, Christmas, dito na kaming magpasko. Set up ng ayos. All furnitures and appliances, nabili na rin. Kaya, okay na siya. Dadalhin na lang dito. At bago na siya. So, and meron kaming nakuha na dog cage. But you know, hindi ko naman dog cage si Milo. That's the one. Pero, helpful na rin yan. Just in case everybody's out, you know, wala out at wala kami all day. We can put them there. At maghintay muna sila sa amin for a few hours. So, yun lang. Let's see. Mabilis lang talaga. So, this is again 2-car garage. Magkasunod na kotse. Okay. Paglabas mo dito, lakad tayo, B. Ayan na yung neighbors mo. 1. Bakante yan, pero wala akong pakialam. 2. Yan na. And then our house. Yan na. Pintura lang talaga. Kasi kailangan kong maging puti lahat yung nasa labas. Pero, gusto ko to. I like this one. Magstay lang siyang ganyan. The rest, i-white nyo na. Okay? I like white. And that accent. Perfect yun. Social yun. Yun lang, guys. And I'll keep you updated kapag medyo umuusad-usad na tayo. For now, puro measurement ang ating ginagawa. Alright. Bye.